You've recently registered your RYOBI line trimmer online. This video will show you how to easily assemble and start to use it. The box contains a safety guard, handle, line trimmer shaft, tools you'll need, battery and charger, and a detailed instruction manual. To attach the safety guard, fit it over the trimmer head. Use the screws provided and a Phillips head screwdriver to secure it in place. To attach the handle, fit it into the handle clip and tighten with the handle screw provided. You can adjust the angle of the head by pressing this button. You adjust the angle of the handle by loosening the handle key and tightening again to secure it in place. And you can adjust the length of the shaft by loosening this clasp, pulling the top half out and tightening again into place. Charge your battery. Pressing this button on the battery will indicate the level of charge your battery currently holds. Insert a fully charged battery into the battery port and your line trimmer is ready to be used. To start, depress the safety switch and then engage the trigger. This line trimmer uses an auto line feed system to replenish worn line. Each time you release the trigger, 0.6 mm of line is released. If you release and engage the trigger unnecessarily, you will use more line. For more information about your line trimmer or other RYOBI tools, visit our website.
RYOBI, a cut above.